Hi, this is Andy from Svija. I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on your Svija page. So this is the page we want to embed the video on, and this is the video we want to embed. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a capture of the video so I can use it in the design. So I do Command-Shift-4 and I draw a rectangle. It doesn't have to be exact. I just want to capture so I can make the page look nice. Then we're going to click Share and we're going to click Embed, and here we're going to disable the player controls, and then we just click copy, and now we have the code in the clipboard. So then we go into page settings and we're going to add a script. It's going to be HTML. We paste the embedded script. We're going to put load order 2 and we're just going to call it YT embed code. Save and continue editing. Now we need to do the design. So I'm going to go into Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to create a new layer that's going to be a template layer. And I'm going to put the capture on this page, on this layer. Place here. So this is where I decide. So the first thing I need to do is make sure that the video is the right proportions. So to do that, I'm going to look in here, 560 by 315. So I'm going to go into Illustrator and make it 560, 315. And now if I resize it, I know it's going to reflect the actual YouTube video. So let's make it replace the last Z as if the robot is dreaming of the video. Okay. So it's going to be right here. It's going to be nice and tiny. And I don't know if you know this or not, but you can actually rotate the video, but we're not going to do that right now. Okay. So here's another trick that's really cool. If you have something that's got lots of decimal places, you can go into Object menu and click Make Pixel Perfect, and it will just round everything off. I guess not quite because the dimensions aren't right. But anyway, this is going to be 244 and this is going to be 137. Okay, so these are the numbers we need to put in our page parameters to make the video appear at the right size. So I'm going to save the page. Okay, the video is not in the page because it's a template layer. Then I'm going to go X287, Y286. Okay, so I'm going to add another script. I'm just going to write down here so I don't forget. Okay, so this is CSS. It's going to be number 1. It's going to be YouTube position. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to declare the position of the iframe tag. Iframe position absolute. Okay, left colon 287, top 286, and we have to put rem for the units. And then we also need to put the size, and so the size is 244 by 137. So width, and again we have to use rem. So we have the iframe here, and this is untouched from the YouTube copy, and then here we have the new dimensions and the new position. The one thing we need to do is we need to add and autoplay equals true, and autoplay equals true won't work unless we also add and, sorry, 1, not true, and mute equals 1. So if you don't mute the video, it won't autoplay because browsers don't want to annoy people. So now if I click save and continue editing, and then I reload the page, we have our little video exactly where we want, and it's autoplaying, and it went great. So thanks. I hope you enjoyed this.